अरे खाना ठंडा हो जाएगा ढूंढते ढूंढते, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट टू वॉच नेक्स्ट। द लास्ट फ्रंटियर। एक प्लेन जो कुछ प्रिजनर्स को कैरी कर रहा था अलास्का के एक रिमोट रीजन में क्रैश हो जाता है। नाउ द यूएस मार्शल रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट एरिया, फ्रैंक, इज थ्रोन इनटू दिस chaos. One, he has to find all the people on board, and second, he's starting to wonder if this was an accident to begin with. What if it was a conspiracy? And given the fact कि plane पे सब prisoners है, maybe he's thinking in the right direction. If you want to watch something that grips you right from the first scene, then you should watch this. Pitch to get rich. Imagine Shark Tank but fashion. इस show का basic crux यही है that there are some fashion founders who will be pitching their ideas in order to secure an investment. अब इस show में one celebrity judges है, and then there are also mentors who will help these founders. If you're someone who loves fashion and who loves like business, or like you just enjoy fashion but from more of like a business behind the scenes point of view, I think you will thoroughly enjoy the show. भागवत चैप्टर 1 राक्षस। अब ये कहानी एक पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर की जिसका रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं अरशद वारसी। उनका रिसेंटली ट्रांसफर हुआ है and he starts investigating the case of a missing woman called पूनम। अब उस केस की वजह से he finds out that there are multiple women who have disappeared in the same way, and ये सब लिंक होता है back to a professor जिसका रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं जितेंद्र कुमार। The story itself is very exciting and interesting, but you know what actually sold the show to me? The cast. Arshad Varsi, Jitendra Kumar, like amazing actors, and I just know like if they've come together to do a project, it will be interesting and fascinating. And you know what the best part is? You can watch all these shows on a single platform with Tata Play Binge, जहाँ पर अभी you can get 13 OTT apps for just ₹99. This is the biggest entertainment sale and it's a crazy good deal. You should not miss out on this. In fact, share this video with a friend and tell them about this.